Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to sideload apps on Google TV. Firstly, navigate to the settings menu on your Android TV, then select System, then go to About. Scroll to the Android TV OS build and tap it repeatedly until you see the message, "You are now a developer." Now open Google Play Store on your Android TV and search and install Downloader by AFTV News. Open the Downloader app when it's finished and enter the APK file's numeric shortcode, search query, or full URL in the text field to download the app. If a security pop-up appears, just ensure unknown sources is enabled for the Downloader app. If you see unknown sources is disabled, you may need to repeat the developer mode action activation steps. When you finish, just install the application and you'll have it on your smart TV. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.